Yes, Ashish.
मैम 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 मेरा वाईफाई नेटवर्क अभी आया था तो मैम मैंने अपना पीडीएफ ग्रुप में सेंड नहीं कर पाया.
Send me personally then.
मैम आई हैव सेंड इट पर्सनली.
Okay, but why you have sent in the Google Forms? बहुत पहले मिल गया है अब यहाँ पे. Okay, just wait. So I'm just starting with the first question. The bony part of our head is called. It should be skull. No answer. No one will answer. I'm giving you the answer. The fishes move in water with the help of their. Just wait, children. Let me finish it off. Fish, the fins and the tail. Next, third one. Which is a correct relationship? That is 1 meter equal to 1000 centimeter. 1000 meter equal to, that will be 1000 meter. B option, 1000 meter 1 equals to 1 kilometer. Sorry. Light travels in a straight line. Next option. The process by which plants loses water, transpiration. Which of the following is a natural source of light? Will be sun. Done. Next, short answer type. So I don't want to hear your answers because you know what you have written. I'm going to check it, है ना? That और कुछ नहीं बाकी है. Write any four characteristics of living organism. Any four: reproduction, digestion, excretion, response to stimuli, growth and development. Anything you can write, but I told you more than four you write. If कोई भी एक गलत हो गया तो you will get 4 out of 4. ठीक है? Does why when does drought occurs? When there is scarcity of rain or scarcity of water due to lack of rainfall, drought occurs. Okay. Next, what is the difference between tendon and ligament? Tendon means it's connecting muscles to bones and ligament bones to bones. And you can just give one more example. What you have given? Anyone? Ankita?
What ma'am?
Tendon and ligament.
Ma'am, I have written, ma'am, in tendon I have written, they are present in skeletal, ma'am, end of the skeleton. And ma'am, in ligament I have written, they are present in joints.
Okay, but it is incomplete, Aryan, or one more point should be. Yes, Dipta, what you have written?
Ma'am, I can't hear you now.
I'm audible, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Ankita was also unable to hear because I have asked Ankita to give the answer. What you have written, Ankita? Tendon and ligament.
Ma'am, I can't hear you now.
Am I audible, children?
Ma'am, I can. Yes, so now I can hear you.
You are audible.
Ma'am, so I have written that tendons are the connective tissue that joins muscle to the bones, and then ligaments are the connective tissue that joins bone to the bone.
Okay. Yes. The length of a rope is 10.57 meter. What will be the length in centimeter that you can do? That is nothing. I am not calculating now. I haven't calculated now. List types of joints and what you have to do. Meter से centimeter करना है तो you have to multiply and meter से kilometer करना है तो आपको divide करना है. ठीक है? That is the rule.
Divide by 1000.
Yes.
And multiply with 100.
List types of joints and its location in human body. So you have to mention about joints and their location. What are the joints? First of all, you will write down fixed joints. You can give example of skull. You can give ball and socket joint. You can give example of shoulder and hip joint. Next, you can give hinge joint in the elbow and the knees, and then pivot joint in the neck region that is connecting the skull with the vertebral column. Subtle joint you can do, but this four joints you should mention at least. ठीक है?
Ma'am, I have mentioned ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, and pivot joint.
Okay. List the types of joint. Okay, we have done this. Why speed? Ankita, you can hear me now, no? Children, all of you can hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why speed is important in the grassland for animals? Why speed is required?
Ma'am, we have
Because
already discussed it.
but many children were not there. You know, both prey and predators are present in any kind of terrestrial or aquatic habitat. In terrestrial habitat, you know, if this is totally a grassland, what will happen? There is no big trees to get anyone to hide off, to make themselves hide off. So what will happen? Both the prey, in order to make himself alive, or just that it should not be eaten up by some other animal, so it has to make himself safe, so it has to run a lot. Similarly, the same case, the predator needs the food and it has to catch its prey, and as a result there is no other trees in the grassland, they have to have a huge speed. Yes, Reyash, what happened?
Ma'am, I was telling the answer.
Okay, bolo.
Ma'am, I was also telling the
Okay,
same thing.
okay. Then categorize the objects on the basis of passing of light. So passing of light is a category. So some objects which allow the total light to pass, they are called the transparent object. Give example.
Ma'am,
Some allow
transparent I have written
partial.
glass.
Yes. Some allows partially light to pass. They are called the
Translucent
translucent.
object.
Give example. And the third one is opaque. That is the answer of this question. Don't get confused with the language.
Ma'am,
Describe the function of skeletal system. Describe the function of skeletal system. All we can do, it gives protection.
ma'am, I have
Nance.
written 6 points.
Ma'am, it protect our
Ma'am, is it
organs.
enough?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is it
it
enough for
gives
6 points?
our body a proper shape. Ma'am, it gives shape to our body.
Ma'am, it helps in movement
Ma'am,
of
the
body.
bone gives shape to our body.
Yes. Just wait. All of you are right. Yes. Yes, Nancy. 1 point. What you have written, Nancy?
Allows movement.
Okay. ठीक है. Protection, movement, all that. At least you have to give. Yes. 3 to 4. 6 is
Ma'am, I
best
have
one.
written 6.
ठीक
Ma'am,
है.
it
कोई
gives
प्रॉब्लम.
protection
Ma'am, can I?
Write the adaptive features of cactus. Have you written the adaptive features?
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
written six
ma'am.
points.
And
6 points.
but no one has drawn, I
Ma'am,
think.
I
कोई
have
draw नहीं किया है cactus को?
No, ma'am.
क्यों?
no, ma'am.
हम बताए थे ना कि आप लोग draw
Ma'am, you
करोगे.
will not.
It was not mentioned means in science you should draw. है ना?
Ma'am, but I have written for the shadow.
Next one. If all of you
Ma'am,
haven't,
what is it?
if all of you
Ma'am,
haven't drawn, then nothing to tell. I have to give marks to all of you without drawing. But next time annual में हम I want diagram. Whether it's mentioned in the question paper or not, in science you know there are some diagrams that are very much important, that are inevitable. You have to write. Next, draw a well labeled diagram of water cycle. That you can do very easy. I'm not going to tell. You have to mention about the land, sea, and along with that the plants transpiration, evaporation, condensation. Yes, very nice. Very good, Nancy. Yes. So next one, long answer. What is motion? You have to define motion and the types of motion. Different types. Define it and give example. ठीक है? Differentiate between image and shadow. Many examples are there. You are just supposed to write at least two or more than two. You have supposed to write at least two. दो से
Ma'am, I
नीचे.
have written 3 points of both
ठीक
of
है.
them.
4 points.
Okay, one by one we are going to discuss the difference between. Yes, Dipta, only one
Yes,
difference.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Image shows the details of an object, and a shadow cannot show the details of an object. It can
Okay.
only show the outline of an object.
Okay. Yes, Ankita. Only one difference.
Ma'am, image is color, whereas shadow is completely black or
Very
grayish.
good. Yes, it is a colorful. Image is colorful, but shadow is totally dark. Only you can see the shape and size. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, shadow is formed by obstruction of light and image is through reflection of an object.
Very good. If reflection of light on an object. Yes, Aradhna. Any other point you have written? No.
Ma'am, can I?
Just wait.
I have told that.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Yes, Kanupriya. बोलो Kanupriya. Yes.
The image is colorful and we can see it, but the shadow is black and it appears when the light object is hitting the light or blocking the light, then the shadow appear.
Okay. Yes, Nancy. Any other point? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It provides all the details of the object like shape and color.
Okay, we have done. Okay, ठीक है. Next, what are the necessary things required for a formation of shadow?
Ma'am, there
It
is
will be
also one more thing.
क्या? बोलो दीपक.
Ma'am, that size of image doesn't change, and the size of shadow change with time.
Ma'am, it can mislead.
Yes.
It can mislead. Yes, you can. Okay, next one. Next one. Yes, things required. Agam will answer. Agam.
Ma'am, torch, opaque object, and screen.
These three are the requirements. That should be a source of light, an opaque object, or a translucent object. I think Dipta is trying to say that opaque object or translucent object. And the third one is it should be a screen. There should be a screen you have to write. All of you have written screen?
Yes, ma'am. I have made a small.
Yes. So there should be a source of light, opaque or translucent object, and the screen. Am I clear?
Mama, I will tell for the
Mama, all
formation.
questions
Shadow
have gone
means
right
Yes,
till
Dipta?
now.
One by one, just wait.